Okay, so we've got the rear side of the house. This is where we come in. That's Escampton Road, house next door. Front bedroom, back bedroom, air conditioners coming out. We have power. Two windows are going to be sliding doors. They're going to be wider, bigger. Another window is going to be bigger. Underneath this we're going to have a landing. I think that door was 820. Okay, going back to what we were talking about before, this main window is actually going to be, I think, 5 meters, so there's not going to be much left paneling of here. This is where the house joins together. So I'll give you a bit of a perception of this thing, this beam through here. So we've got 4 minutes, ceiling fan, remote controlled ceiling fan, I believe that was, another ceiling fan there, a light. This goes back to our sink. We have power here, I presume that was the oven. We've got a range hood. We've got a few power points here actually. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 power points. I'm not sure if that switches for the oven or not. I'm guessing it might supply power to here. Another power switch, light switch. Okay, and then we've got a power point there. Light switch, smoke alarm, another power point there. This particular wall and this particular wall just here is going to be removed. And this cupboard's going to be removed and filled in. And there's our 2 taps from underneath. Another tap. That was the drain we were looking at under the floor. Here's our toilet, tap, ceiling fan. Pretty crappy really, so that's going to increase the space in here. Built-in cupboard to be removed. I'll show you that in a moment. These are going to be sliding doors. We've got measurements for those, so they'll go to the floor and obviously out onto our 3 meter deck. Actually, let's just put that into section. Look at that view, hey? Isn't that amazing? Okay, so now we will go into the other bedroom here where I've actually ripped up the carpet. Obviously that's going to be removed. That's going to be a sliding door. Window stays, air conditioner comes out. We are going to reclad. And as you can see here, this stuff is very strong. And in behind here, you'll find they've glued it. And this looks like liquid nails actually. So we need to get that off obviously, otherwise our panels won't be flush from the gyprock. I've got bolts down in through here. It goes down into the 50mm steel underneath, tied down. I presume they've done that for transport because you're going to have bounce. And in here I've temporarily sort of ripped apart it in a hurry the day before yesterday. And there's our power that I had on the outside that goes down. I've pulled that up. Cable's in here. And then once again we go across. We've got an earth wire. Sorry, that's the earth wire that I cut obviously. Bolts through here. Bolts through, and we've got power that goes to there obviously. I'm not sure, we've probably got a light switch and powering through the walls. Then we got coving all to come out. Okay, that looks like fiber sheet roofing. And once again, this paneling is everywhere. And let's just go back to the other room quickly, and you can see that I've actually taken this off. I dare say we'll be leaving that there, but it comes out pretty easy. It's just nailed in, nail gun. This is pressed timber, which is, window was open here. You can see the pressed timber. It's really just, I think they've done this because it's so light. There you go, there's a good picture of the pressed timber. These cupboards are extremely strong. They've even got nails through there into there, into the bottom beam. They're very, very well held together, incredibly actually. The amount of, they've had screws, big screws into the woodwork holding that together. There was big screws through here as well. There was a thick beam here, screws up into the roof, screws everywhere. They even had nails underneath this bottom plate, in between the bottom plate and the decking. I presume they've put, sorry, the flooring. They've put the flooring down, nail gunned it, put the bottom plate on, and then screwed the bottom plate to the steel beam. It was difficult getting that steel beam, but anyway, I've done it. We do have a slight variation in level on the flooring here. We might be able to adjust that underneath. I'm not sure how we'll go. We might even better just fill it up. There is a slight lip there. And that's very, very even actually. So there's maybe the floor is up too high in this spot here, because this is actually pretty much together. Okay, I think that covers everything.